Hey guys, Kwame Tanner here. So, got an announcement, a new project. It's gonna be my largest yet. So I'm keeping this one for myself. Actually, it's an old nursing home that I'm purchasing and I'm gonna convert into, I think it's gonna be 48 or 50 beds we'll end up with so far. So we're in the preliminary stages now, kind of design, but I'll walk you through. It's a very old, rustic looking uh, facility. Hasn't been operated in some time. So this will be one of the entrances. And actually the building is one big L. So you have this wing, and then it's a larger wing down here. I'm going to make this the dining hall. Pretty much we're gonna keep it the same flow that it originally was. Like this maybe was a big conference room, but we're gonna make this a huge dining area as well, where the clients can gather and dine, because when you're doing assisted living, they have to all dine in the same location, or at least be able to all sit down at once to dine. So I'll walk you down this huge aisle. Gonna get rid of this nurse's desk, make this some like seating for clients to sit, maybe activities. And there's plenty of areas in here. I'm not gonna walk you through the whole building, it's just too big. It's a huge kitchen here, commercial kitchen. But there's plenty of areas in here for clients to sit, outside of their rooms. So we'll walk down here, kind of towards the end. We'll have a salon. So one of these rooms I'm still tinkering around is gonna be a salon with maybe 2 heads and a dry room, so clients get their hair cut and hair done here. Should come together nicely. And this will be another sitting area where, and I like this location because these like little pockets are kind of like sprinkled about the property where you don't have to have all your clients on top of each other. So I'm gonna do like chairs, a bookshelf here. It'll be nice, and it'll lead to an outdoor seating area as well. And then you have your public restrooms where in facilities this large, they require you to have public restrooms. So if you have guests, whether it be nurses or staff or family, they don't have to go into the client's rooms to use the restrooms. So you have to have public restrooms. So that's one of the beauties of buying an old nursing home, is that they already have that kind of built into the infrastructure. But this will be a total remodel. So we'll go into the back of that long L. And there's rooms on both sides, all down the corridor. So these will be the client's rooms. And they're gonna be single rooms. So clients here won't have to share rooms. So back here, I'm gonna build a huge outdoor deck where clients can enjoy. There's actually horses here, so they can sit out and watch the horses. And this is one of the rooms I'll show you in here. So I'm gonna do a built-in kitchenette, private bathrooms with private showers. And we'll also have shower rooms here, so if you have clients that can't really shower on their own, we have like dedicated shower rooms here in the building that I'm gonna leave and kind of remodel and make new again. They have nice sized private rooms. We have a little 2 chairs or a couch here. I don't know, I'm still in the preliminary phases, so if you guys have any ideas you want to shoot me, I'll be happy to look at them. But yeah, this is it. So I'll be keeping you guys posted with more progress. And you can learn from me and hopefully, do your own. Start small and end up with a 50, 60 bed. Talk to you guys soon.